Hello dear traders, we are glad to welcome you ИнстаФорекс TV channel. You are watching the weekly link up with me, Tahmina Salomova. In this edition, we are going to discuss the ongoing situation in the Forex market. Besides, technical analyst Petr Yakimovic will help us forecast further dynamics of popular trading instruments. Hi Petr, recently the Forex market has been on a roller coaster driven by a series of crucial political and economic events. Concerns about political stability have weighed on the euro against the US dollar in recent weeks. However, the single European currency is now trading higher against the US dollar. Market participants braced themselves for Sunday's Italian referendum on a constitutional change, so demand for the euro is increasing. How long is the euro going to keep momentum?
Hello dear traders. I'm expecting a lower price on the euro versus dollar. We are in a critical price because we have the resistance around 1.0655, and this is the sweet high from previous price action according to a daily time frame. And I found the lack of demand near that level, and still the downward trend is very strong in the background, and we may expect lower price in the next period. Anyway, the successful breakout of the swing low at 1.0530 will actually confirm the potential bearish continuation. If that happens, and the price may go to visit 1.0075, which is the area where I found the Fibonacci expansion, 161.8%. If the price breaks the resistance at 1.0655, then the price may even go to 1.0850. Because of the strong downward momentum and the short-term downward trend, and also lack of demand near 1.0655, I'm expecting a lower price in the USD, so watch for a selling opportunities, and confirmation will be if the price breaks below 1.0550.
Interestingly, the euro is not the only currency to struggle against the US dollar. Petr, could you please share your views on the pound versus American dollar pair?
I'm expecting a bullish price on the British pound USD. As like I forecasted previous week, the British pound USD, the price went exactly and retested the swing high at the 1.2670. Right now, this is decision price for this currency pair. If the price go above this resistance, we may see potential testing of 1.2800, which is the Fibonacci expansion 161.8% from the most recent price action. Strong bullish engulfing in the background, and strong demand right now is right now the British pound looks like a very strong currency, so my advice is to be very careful with any selling positions. Also, I found very interesting cross the 21 cross the 50 simple moving average, which is a very good indication we have a big strength on the market. So watch for buying opportunities. The breakout above 1.2670 will confirm potential testing of 1.2800.
Now let's discuss the dynamic of the Japanese yen. Many currency strategies are beating on the stronger yen in the short term. Meanwhile, the US dollar is putting pressure on its Japanese rival. What is the outlook in the dollar-yen pair?
USD Japanese yen is on the strong cluster. I'm neutral on this currency pair. It can go both ways at this moment. From one side, I found a strong momentum with the Japanese yen and some institutional flow for upward side. But from the other side, it seems like potential over exhausted there, and strong resistance cluster is set at 115 level. And if the price breaks the 115 level, we may see potential testing of 116 level, which is the area from the background where the previous swing lows became right now resistance for this currency pair. So breakout of 115 will confirm potential 116 in the next period. Anyway, if we see the rejection on the Japanese yen and some supply on the market, the price may go to, for example, from some previous supports and do some corrective phase. For example, 111.40 is a area which price can visit if we see supply in the market. Again, right now, I'm neutral on this currency pair, but breakout of 115 will confirm potential testing of 116. From the other side, if the supply enters the market potential, we may expect potential downward momentum 111.40 on the test. So watch for a price to confirm, basically, do we go upward or downward? We are on the critical level on the EUR-Japanese yen.
Today, the Australian dollar is among winners on Forex as the oil rally is certainly bullish for commodity currencies. Peter, from your viewpoint, does it make sense to expect further growth of the Australian dollar-American dollar pair?
I'm expecting downward price on Australian dollar, US dollar. As like I forecasted the last week in my previous weeks, we got a strong background, strong weakness in the background according to the daily time frames. From one side, we have a broken upward trend line, very strong. Recently, I found the evening star formation according to a daily time frame, and the rejection from resistance. It's a 0.750 or 0.7500. So again, strong evening star. Price is trading below all moving averages, so this is a strong downward pressure on the market. There is a support near the 0.7315. This is like swing low according to a daily time frame. So potential breakout of this level may confirm test of 0.7145 area, which is the level of Fibonacci expansion 100% according to a daily time frame. So watch for selling opportunities on the pullback. And again, buying looks very risky.
Thank you, Peter, for your valuable recommendations. See you next week. ИнстаФорекс technical expert Peter Yakimovic has presented his trading recommendations on ИнстаФорекс TV channel. Don't miss our next edition.